Hello everyone, I am excited to finally bring you this video. I have finally hit 6,000 subscribers, which means this is the 6,000 subscriber GoPro Accessory giveaway. Got the goods right here. Let me show you what you're going to be getting if you win. Alright, got a Pelican style case here, just from Harbor Freight. Got a dual battery charger with 3 batteries. And a hard case with 2 different backs, one with a little port right here where you can use the touchscreen, and the other one that's completely sealed. To win these accessories, if you want them, I have a trivia question, and the first comment I see to get it right wins it. You don't have to pay it has to be in the continental United States, and if you win, all I need is your address. My email is in the description. You can just email me your address and I will send it to you. But the trivia question is, what 2 YouTubers helped me get my dart here? I've had the dart for I think it's been a couple of years now. What you're gonna have to do is go back on my videos and try to find out what 2 YouTubers helped me get the dart. When you find out, leave a comment on this video, and first one to comment with the correct answer wins. And whoever wins also gets one of my keychains and a couple of cards. So good luck to you, and look forward to seeing who wins, and I'll see you in the next one.